Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment so nothing blocks progress. Install Python 3. 8 or newer and make a virtual environment, then pip install pytesseract, pillow, OpenPython, and NumPy. Make sure the tesseract binary is on your path. Once done, place a few representative images into a project folder so you can iterate quickly. Now create a new script file and import cv2, pil, image, pytesseract, and NumPy. This gets you into the coding phase without delay. You now transform the raw images into text-friendly inputs. Load an image with cv2, convert it to grayscale, and resize to a sensible width while preserving aspect ratio. Then denoise with Gaussian blur, apply adaptive or Otsu thresholding, and optionally use morphological opening to remove speckle. Once the image is clean, call pytesseract image to string with an appropriate language model and config like PSM6 or OEM3 to tune layout analysis. This combination raises accuracy significantly for most documents. You finish by turning raw OCR output into usable text and handling errors gracefully. First, normalize whitespace and common ligature or punctuation artifacts. Then apply rejects patterns and optional spell checking or a small language model to correct predictable mistakes. Once the pipeline works, save results to CSV, JSON, or a database. If accuracy is poor, inspect the intermediate images you produced earlier. Adjust thresholding or denoising, and rerun. This inspection is the fastest troubleshooting method to locate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.